Hi, my name is Jazzy and I need to get my together. I have way too many clothes that I've been weirdly emotionally attached to, even though I don't look good in them or they don't fit me. So I thought to help me kind of clean out my closet, I'm going to try on every single piece of clothing that I have. I was very inspired by the trend last year to like do this type of video, but I was like, I'm not about to do that. I can never do that. But here I am doing the thing. I'm going to link a couple of videos that I was really inspired by because I love them. Girls, they're gorgeous and talented and amazing. So down there. As I'm trying on all of my clothes, I'm going to be putting them in their little piles onto my bed. This is going to be keep, maybe, and then no. Cool. I know that my drawers aren't too bad. There are worse things out there, but I thought I could get rid of some things and I definitely need to organize a little bit. And my closet is kind of a mess. As you can see right here, nothing's organized. Everything's in random places. Girl, we need to fix this. First up are crop tops, and I have way too many. It's very embarrassing, but they make me feel confident and cute and fun and flirty. So, you know, let a girl live. I especially love tops that show off my collarbones because I have no boobs, so this is all I can offer. This shirt was just not it. I was a vision in my head, it didn't work. But this shirt I wear to parties all the time and I love it. It makes me feel so fun. Yeah, I kind of own a lot of these shirts, but I love all the colors, and yeah, there's one more after this. This is me being absolutely winded from jumping like 5 times. I'm very healthy. I was so sad I had to let this one go, but it just doesn't fit me at all. Maybe if I grew boobs overnight, I could keep it, but I'm almost 20, so I don't think these babies are growing anytime soon. And this one was also sad because I thought it was gonna look cute, but it just doesn't look cute on me at all. But this one makes me look like a fighter. I feel like Kim Possible, and it's amazing. Trying on all of my clothes helped me rediscover this top that I felt so cute in. I was very excited that I rediscovered it. But I have a lot kind of in this style. As you can see, if I find a top that I like the style of and it makes me feel confident in it, I will buy it in every single color with no remorse because I don't really feel confident in a lot of things. So when I do, I snatch it. I put this one in the maybe style because it looks cute from afar, but if you look closely you will see all the stains and it's not a very cute look. It's really not. This boxy structure kind of makes me look like a Roblox and I don't know how I feel about it, so I kept one. See, I like the idea of this, but I was a dumbass and cut it way too short, so that was fun for me. But for this one I didn't cut too short, so that was great, so I kept it. These next 3 are ones that I definitely did not keep. I felt so ugly and uncomfortable in all of them, especially since it shows off my biggest insecurity. It's so fun, yay. But for some reason, this top is one of my favorites and I wear it to parties all the time, even though it shows off how flat I am, but I don't know why. I feel extra confident in this one, so I'm just gonna ride this wave. I'm gonna keep it. I am not a huge fan of how tank tops look on me, so I only have these 2. But now on to t-shirts. There is a shape on this one and it's probably one of my favorite thrift finds. School spirit, woohoo! But I decided not to keep this one, so maybe not. I wore this Let's Summon Demons shirt to a conservative Christian household once, and let's just say they were not having it at all. So that's just a story I have about that one. But now on to long sleeves. This is another one that I just feel confident in, so I decided to get it in all 3 colors. Woohoo! Creativity, we love to see it. I could not even bother putting this one on because the neck hole is so small and it's like I don't even have that big of a head, so it kind of makes me insecure. Like, why can't my head fit through it? But anyways, that's fine. I'm totally not salty about it at all. What? Oh, also I love this shirt because it makes me feel like strawberry shortcake. If a shirt doesn't make you this happy and dancy, you deserve a better shirt. This shirt makes me feel so happy. Ooh, if you know me, you know that I love a good cardigan. I love the way that they make me feel. It's warm, but this one's itchy, so I just did not keep it. But this one is so fuzzy. Oh my god, it feels like a dog. It's amazing. I decided not to keep this one either. I just don't like it. But this one, man, this is my favorite cardigan of all time. We love to see it. These next two zip ups are in the tops category because I wear them as tops. I don't use them as outerwear. Thrifted this one about 3 years ago and I'm never letting go because it's so funny to me. As I said before, I don't really like the way that tank tops look on me, and the kind of same thing goes with bodysuits. So I bought this one with the cutout so it kind of distracts everyone, but I don't know how I feel about it. But tops complete. Yay. So this is my progress so far. But in my defense, I did do a closet clean out a couple months ago and I filled 3 trash bags full of clothes. So that was nice for me. So don't hate me right now. I'm gonna try really hard with my outerwear right here to try to get rid of a lot of things. Studio Ghibli for real has my heart forever, so when I saw this thrifting, I knew I had to get it. It just made me feel so cute. This one has a lot of lint. We're not going to talk about it at all. I hate this shirt so much. I was like, no pile, 100%. And the fact that you could see the pile of clothes behind me just shows you how stressed I was. So if you can tell that I'm stressed in these upcoming clips, that's why. Just know that I persevered for you guys because I love you. So I hope you enjoy this video. Literally 80% of the time I'm walking to class, you will find me wearing a t-shirt dress and I have nothing to say about that. So my boyfriend gave me 2 of his shirts because they fit like dresses on me. I'm literally smoothing out the wrinkles because I pulled this right out of the laundry before this shot. I love being hygienic. I have yet to find the perfect everyday dress for me. I want to make this one a little bit shorter, so I'm going to try to do that and see how it looks. Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that who really get. This is my favorite dress so far, so you know I got it in a different color, but for some reason it's longer than the other one, even though they're in the same size, so I don't really know what's going on with that. This dress gives me major Sophia Nygaard vibes. I feel like a bat and it's amazing. Oh, I love her. These last 2 dresses were cute in my head in theory, but on me, it just wasn't cutting it. I really want to get more rompers. I only have one right now and I think it's pretty cute. It's pretty flowy and this one makes me feel like a 70s chick, funky and fresh. I haven't worn these overalls in a while, but I was like, okay, I kind of like these, so I'm going to try to wear them more. These 2 are my boyfriends, so it's extra cozy for me, and even though this one's really cool and it's reversible, I decided to give it to my sister because I don't really need 3 fuzzy coats. It's just not very necessary at all, especially since I live in Southern California. Please tell me why I have a mama version and a baby version of the same jacket. I don't know. Don't ask me. And this one is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. I don't know why I have it. Conan Gray has this cardigan and I stand by that. I thought a leather jacket would look good on me and make me feel badass, but it really just doesn't. During the winter time, you will always see me in a sweatshirt and some baggy jeans. I think the baggy on baggy combo is, yes, chef's kiss. I definitely want to thrift some more. I thrifted this one, but I didn't notice that it has this weird cutout on the bottom, so I was like, I really don't like that at all. And can you tell I like Disney? I have way too many Disney outerwear for someone my age, but hey, it makes me happy. It's okay. So I guess I should have some soul spirit, so I kept this one, and that's it for all my tops. You can tell by my hair that I was exhausted. Wide leg jeans have literally been my favorite type of pant lately. It's the only thing that I wear. I never wear skinny jeans anymore. They make me feel so confident and they're so comfortable. They don't even feel like I'm wearing pants at all, which is honestly always the goal. These mom jeans are kind of too tight for my liking, so if that just shows you how I hate just wearing pants, that's why. But I've been kind of starting to try to wear more tight fitting pants, especially these low-rise bootcut jeans. I also have these like straight-legged ones that I thrifted, but I kind of don't like the way that it makes my butt look. It's just not fun for me. Marla Catherine wore these in one of her videos and I love the way that looked on her, so I had to get them. These are my party pants because they have buttons so my phone doesn't get stolen, because that's happened before and it's just not fun at all. I don't like these pants, so I got rid of them, and these are funky wide leg pants that I love to wear because I think they're such a cool color. Onto shorts. I have a lot even though I don't really wear that many shorts. I definitely do not need 3 pairs of plain denim shorts, so I got rid of those ones, but I kept these because these are my favorite. I think they're so unique, and these white ones are very fun but also very scary to be in. I've definitely bled in them once or twice. It's totally fine. We survived. It's okay. Feel like an absolute fairy. I just want to lay in a garden or something in a bed of flowers in both of these. I love the way that these skirts make me feel, and I have a black one and a white one just for neutral outfits. I honestly don't really know how to style skirts well, so that's really concerning since I have kind of a lot. So let me know some tips, because I'm just really bad at styling skirts, I think. Definitely had to get rid of these because I tried to glue the hem and it doesn't look good at all. So that's all of my clothes, folks. I changed into my PJs and it was so rewarding. So this is what my room is looking like so far. Let's not talk about it right now. Let's not talk about it. You know, I got my Rudolph pants on, child size 12. I'm not excited to sort through these and, you know, put everything in its place. However, I am very excited that I'm done. I still have to do my shoes, but I'm not putting those bitches on. Like, I can't do that. You know, I'm just gonna show you. It'll be fine. You can just imagine them on my feet. I don't have many shoes, so I didn't get rid of any of these, but I'm just gonna show you my shoe collection. Of course, I'm a basic bitch, so I have Air Force Ones. They go well with everything, and these are the love of my life, the knockoff Buffaloes, because I cannot afford the real ones, but they make me feel so tall, and they make me tall, and it's honestly, it's a godsend. I love them. These are kind of so ugly that they're cute, and I just love finding new ways to style them. I find it so hard to walk in these. I think I'm just the worst walking in heels, but I'm trying really hard to get better. And these are my biggest staple shoes. I think they're my favorite shoes. As you can tell, they're worn a lot. And some plain old Birkenstocks. So now, to tackle this, I'm going to get the things from the maybe pile and put them in their little spots, the yes or the no. And I know it looks like I have a ton of clothes over here, which I do. I think this looks like it's a lot more than it is too, because it's all over my 6 pillows that are kind of elevating it up. I ended up with these being my donate/sell pile. Are you proud of me? I separated all of my clothes, folded them accordingly. I did it very nicely, I think. I'm pretty proud of it. Wow, I'm proud of me folding clothes. That's a really big accomplishment. And that's on IKEA furniture. I got it fixed, and this is my finished closet and wardrobe in general. I'm very proud of myself. I tried to roll everything because I wanted to see all of my shirts at once, so I didn't have to like move things to try to see it, but I couldn't do the same with my pants because I just had way too many things. But I have skirts, shorts, and just 2 rows of jeans/pants, and that's my PJs, and I just want to show you guys that because like they're just PJs. That's kind of boring. I think my closet had a major upgrade. I love the way that it looks. Everything has their new home. I even started hanging up my t-shirt dresses so everyone has their own spot. I'm so proud of myself because I never usually have like organized closet like this. So I was like, maybe I could be an adult for once. And I separated my gold and silver belts, and I even had a ton of extra hangers, which was really nice to see. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I worked really hard on it and I hope it translated. If you want to subscribe, you can do that, but if you don't want to subscribe, you could also do that. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!